Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Face ID on Citibank application. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is just go and log in into your state or to your Citibank account. Once you do so, you'll have to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. So as example, if we go here to Citibank like interface, and I'm just trying to show you like that. So normally it's gonna be, or it's gonna look something like that, or this is when you enter your card. So the interface will look something like that. All you need to do, just go and click on the profile at the bottom right corner. Then you'll have to go and click on the security option. I don't think they provide more. So I'll provide more visuals right now. So once you click on the profile, you'll find yourself here. All you need to go to do under this settings, you can click on Security Center. Once you click on Security Center, you'll have to click then on the City Trusted Identity. Once you go and do that, of course, click on Manage City Trusted Identity. And once you do so, you'll find yourself here. All you need to do is just enable this Face ID or Face ID, and then it will be enabled. And that's how you set up, of course, your Face ID on the Citibank account. So, or application. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.